Bonanza Bros.
Is the battery charged? Is the battery charged? I've got it! Hey guys, this box here turned up and we do not know what it is. I'll show you us opening it and, well, I wonder what it is. I'll try and open it with my fists. Oh, this is a real head scratcher. Oh, I have an idea. That didn't work. No. What can I do? Oh yeah, I forgot I had this. Maybe let's try and open it this way. Maybe we'll try the other way. I can't fit that in. Luckily, I have this way. Oh. This is done. I think we got it. Oh, wait. This must go down here. Wait a minute, we may have to cut this. We can't open it. We've just got this bit open. Wait. 1 minute. Drop the bomb! Not another box. Oh wait, there's a tape on it. Ah, we can open it straight away. Let's see this. This is great. Nice plane. We'll do a detail of it in a minute once I fix. I'm gonna show you how to do it. But plane, the controller. Oh, that's in there forever. The instructions. Who needs these? You just push it forward a bit till it then it looks like this. Click a few times, but don't worry, it's not broken. Testing durability 1. Nice. Testing durability 2.
Yeah.
Nice.
Try and bring it back here.
I can't.
It's going up. Try and bring it back this way.
Try and get it. I can't.
Oh no! Oh no!
Hey, Bonanza Bros followers. Our RC plane, it crashed. It wasn't because of me. It was because of the bad controller. It's still connecting. Just didn't work. Well, didn't work. Just it crashed. We went too high. Well, we didn't go too high. We full throttled it. It full weapons. Everyone subscribe to Bonanza Bros. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers.
Bonanza Bros.